So today I got these coupons. I'm basically just machining a bevel on them in the lathe, doing a little drawing. So first thing is switch the machine on, press the home button. I'm going to move these axes like that. They hit their switch, now they're moving back. So I can see on this panel two little lights, they say it's homed. Next I need to set up my jaws. Most CNC lathes have power chucks. The jaws only move about 3/16. So you have these little serrations that you can adjust the jaws, basically to suit what we're doing. There we go, that's clamped. So this tool has two clamps. Top clamp is to push the insert down, and the other screw is just basically a cam, pulls the insert into the pocket like that. The height doesn't have to be accurate on these, so just make sure I'm taking enough off. Then go into my offset setting, work, go at G54, which is the regular one. So I put Z 0.0 measure. So that now knows that that's at the Z0 position. Get rid of that line. So next line I'm going to go G01 because we want to feed this time. G42, which is tool nose compensation. Z 0.0312, which is our start. Z there. X 5.76. So if I press go, so now it's barely slowing down. There we go. Finishes great. That's an easy part. Just gives you an example of what the process is of setting up an easy lathe part. Interesting project. That's going into motorcycles, so be sure to subscribe because I'm making the transmission, the electronics, absolutely everything for this. The only thing that I'm not making is the engine itself. So subscribe and you'll see some cool projects coming up.